Chapter 23 Disaster Management. Human-induced disaster. The disasters that are caused because of human negligence or deliberately by an individual or a group can be termed as human-made. These disasters cost the most in terms of human suffering, loss of life, and long-term damage to a country's economy and productive capacity. Let us now look at different human-made disasters briefly. Accident-related disasters. Road, rail, and air accidents are some of the disasters that one faces every day. The rapid development and expansion of the road network for better connectivity have led to a substantial rise in levels of both passenger and freight movement. The number of road accidents and fatalities has been growing in recent years. Rail accidents. Railway transportation appeared at early times to be safe due to slower speeds, shorter trips, and lower density traffic. With the largest network in the world, the number of railway accidents has increased in India. The most common type of rail accidents are derailment, which takes place due to lack of proper maintenance, human error, or sabotage. This causes huge losses to life and inflicts injuries and disabilities to many more. Air accidents. Across the world, including India, air accidents have increased. Many factors govern the safety of the passengers in the aircraft, like increase in number of aircrafts, technical problems, fire, landing, and takeoff condition. The environment that the airline operates, factors like airport security in case of hijacking, bomb attacks, etc. Fire. The 2004 fire in a school in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu sparked of debates and arguments on the safety of schools in the country. 93 innocent lives were charred to death. The main causes of this fire were lack of awareness among us children and teachers as to what to do in case of a fire, lack of preparedness, kitchen close to the classroom, etc. However, incidents like these are not new. The threat of terrorism. Terrorism has become a common in certain areas of the world, including parts of India. In these areas, children live in constant fears of attack and violence. Often, they do not attend formal schools and they don't lead normal lives. In case of terror strikes in your area, here are some things that you need to do. Remain calm and relaxed and be patient. Follow the advice of local emergency officials. Listen to your radio or television for news and instructions. If the disaster occurs near you, check for injuries, give first aid and get help for seriously injured people. Noticing any unidentified briefcases, bags, cycles, tiffin boxes, and inform police. Be away from those things. Shut off any other damaged utilities. Confine or secure your pets. Call your family contact. Do not use the telephone again unless it is a life-threatening emergency. Check on your neighbors, especially those who are elderly or disabled. Be alert, be vigilant, and be safe. Inform police if you see any unowned objects like bags, suitcases, etc. lying in public place or in a public transport, as it could contain explosive devices. Call police control room on telephone number 100. Every citizen has the right to call up. After informing the police, try to keep a watch on the suspected objects and caution others to keep away from it. 4. Be alert of any suspicious behavior, parked vehicle. Citizen safety is the concern of all. Different measures are adopted by various agencies to create awareness on safety. Police has issued some posters that can help us fight terrorism and helping us in leading a safe life. Read them carefully and try to follow the tips and guidelines in your life.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.